In this video, I'll guide you through how to merge accounts in Salesforce. If you've ever found yourself dealing with duplicate account records, you know how crucial it is to maintain a clean and accurate database. Not only does this help in organizing your data more efficiently, but it also ensures that your team can work more effectively without any confusion. So, let's dive right into the process of merging accounts within Salesforce. First, we need to begin by identifying the duplicate accounts. Start by searching for and opening one of the account records that you suspect might be a duplicate. Once you have the account page open, take a look at the top of the page. If Salesforce's duplicate rules are active, you should see a banner alert that states duplicates exist. This is a helpful feature that Salesforce provides to easily pinpoint where duplicates may be lurking in your database. Once you spot this banner alert, your next move is to click on the View Duplicates button. This action will take you to a new page where you can view all the potential duplicate accounts identified by Salesforce. It's important to note that the effectiveness of this feature relies heavily on how your duplicate rules are configured. Make sure these rules align with your organization's data management strategy to optimize the process. After you've clicked on View Duplicates, you will be presented with a list of all the accounts that have been flagged as duplicates. At this point, it's crucial to carefully review the details of each account to ensure that they are indeed duplicates and not separate accounts that merely share similar information. Pay special attention to key fields such as company name, contact information, and address details. Now, once you have confirmed which accounts are duplicates, you can proceed to merge them. Salesforce will guide you through the merging process, allowing you to choose which records to keep and which ones to discard. You'll also have the opportunity to decide which specific information from each account you want to retain in the final merged record. This step is vital, as it allows you to preserve important data that might otherwise be lost. Throughout this process, remember that merging accounts is a permanent action. It's a good practice to double-check all selections before finalizing the merge to avoid any unintentional data loss. Once you're satisfied with your choices, confirm the merge, and Salesforce will consolidate the accounts into a single, unified entry. Congratulations, you've successfully merged duplicate accounts in Salesforce. Keeping your database clean and organized is an ongoing task, but taking the time to merge duplicates is a great way to maintain data integrity. By following these steps, you ensure that your Salesforce environment remains efficient and reliable for your entire team. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the process of merging accounts. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful Salesforce tips and tutorials.